How to use status in WhatsApp business. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use status in WhatsApp business. So using status is simple. The first step is to launch the WhatsApp business application. Move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons such as chat, calls, updates, tools. Then click on updates. All right, update stands for status. So on the update page, you can see the different options, different statuses of people. Then you can also see an option for you to um create your own status. All right. So you can tap the camera icon by the bottom right corner in order for you to add a photo, a video, whatever, or you can decide to click on the pencil icon in order for you to add a text on as your status. You can do any of these, add a caption or message to your photo, video, or text, post your status by tapping the set button to share your status with your contact, and then your status will be visible to your contact for 24 hours, just like regular WhatsApp status updates. All right, so just go to your status and do what is needful. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.